we are going to learn one poem which is known as Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? Means, have you earned your tomorrow? What you have did yesterday, is it helpful for others? Is it helpful for your family, your colleagues, your friends? That all we need to discuss here. Here, Edgar Guest, who is a well-known poet in England, he wants to deliver some facts about your life, how to deliver your life to others, how it will be helpful for the others. That all he wanted to share here. So let's start. Starting with the first stanza. Is anybody happier because you pass his way? Means, he is asking to our students that is anybody happier because you pass his way? Means, is there anybody happier for you? That means, have you done anything which will help for others so that they will bless you? Have you did something like that? Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? And next line he is saying that, does anyone remember that you spoke with him with pleasant manner, with good manner, so that they will be happy? This day is almost over and its tolling time is through. Means, we have worked today with heart during this physical work. Anyone, is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? Means, suppose you are working with physical and you are tired with that physical work and you went to the home. Then during that situation, is there anyone who remembered in your soul, in your way, in your praise? Anyone remember? In the next stanza, did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who come along? Means, writer saying that we know that we are getting lots of person in the way. We are traveling to gym, we are traveling to home, we are traveling to college, school. We are getting lots of friends. So, do you feel that we behave them with cheerfully? Do you believe, or do you think that you meet with anxiety? So, writer saying that, have you done something like cheerful or something like anxiety, or a churchill short howdy and then vanish in the throng? Means, or you are behaving like rude in a crowded place or in a crowd? Have you behaved like this? Were you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along the way? Or writer saying that either you cheerfully meet him, or you are behaving like rude, or moving selfishly without meeting with them and rushed along the way. Means, you went to your way. Or is someone mighty grateful for a deed you did today? Means, have you helped someone today? Have you given something to a poor or who is eagerly needed person? Have you helped them so that he will give you blessing? In the next stanza, can you say tonight in a passing with the days that sleeping fast? Do you believe that you can sleep now wellly? you have helped someone so that they give you a blessing. So with the help of that, can you sleep a better way? That you helped a single brother of the many that you passed? Have you helped a single brother who passed from you? Who passed means it may be in your home, it may be in your office, it may be in any place. Have you helped them so that they will deed you? They will give you very much thank that you helped. Is a single heart reasoning or what you did or said? Whatever you say to someone, it will impact to their whole heart, whole body, so that anybody rejoins their heart by talking with you, with the talking with you. Does a man whose help we are putting now with courage look ahead? So anybody motivated with the help of you? Have you motivated someone so that he feel like that, he feel like courageous? Have you did something like this? Did you waste the day or lose it? Was it well or surely spent? Here writer saying that today what you have did, have you wasted your time or have you earned your time? Have you used it for the social purpose or have you totally wasted it without helping others? In the next stanza, did you leave a trail of kindness or scare of discontent? Means here writer saying that do you spread kindness, love, or do you wanted to dismiss someone or discontent someone, or someone wanted to scare? Do you wanted to do like this? You have two choices. You can spread a love or you can spread a scare. It might be depend on you. As you close your eyes in a slumber, do you think that God would you say? Means after doing all these things means positive things. Do you think, do you make eye contact with God that I have did tomorrow, I have did today this is this much, which will helpful for our society, our family, our brothers, our colleagues, our friends. Is it helpful for them? You have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today. Means if you have done positively, if you have done in a good manner, it will help for you to gain your tomorrow. Means it's depend on you. If you did something good in the past, it will come with you in a pleasant way. It will help for you to gain tomorrow. Means here writer wanted to tell us that we have to do something like in a positive way, which will help for your society, our colleagues, our friends. If you spend a time within you taking self-respect, then it will not be work and it is not useful for gaining your tomorrow, because you are doing something wrong, and it will not be helpful to our people or our colleagues. So just a writer wanted to say that what have you done? Have you earned your tomorrow? By doing this, you will surely say that I will earn tomorrow. Hope you have liked it. Thank you.